Hello and welcome guys, my name is Junaidgfx and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google account for your child. It is very simple and easy process for creating Google account for your child. Let's jump into the screen. Hello and welcome guys, I am on my phone screen. Here I will show you how to create a Google account for your child. For creating Google account, you must have to open your browser and search for account.google.com. Here click on the first link. On this page there is a blue button on the top right corner, go to Google account. Click on that button. Here you have to click on the create account button and click for my child. Here you have to click on yes continue. Here you have to enter your child's first name and last name. After entering your child's first name and last name, click on the next button. Here you have to enter the date of birth and the gender of your child. After choosing detail, click on the next button. Here you have to choose a username for your child. After choosing a username, click on the next. If the username is not available, you can add some extra elements in the end of username to make it unique. After this, you have to create a strong password for your child account. After creating a strong password, click on the next button. Here you have to enter a parent email. After entering your email, you can receive details about your child's Google account. After adding an email for a parent, click on the next. Here you have to scroll down and check these boxes. After this, click on agree. Here you have to enter the password of a parent email address you have entered before and then click on next. Here you have to verify your parent email address in your device. As my parent account is also logged in the same device, so Google is sending prompt in the same device. If your Google account is logged in any other device, Google will send you email, phone call or any prompt on that device. I am allowing here. After this, you have to scroll down and click on next. Congratulations! The Google account for your child has been created. Now you can use it in any device. That's how you create a Google account for your child. If you have any problem, you can comment down. I will help you as soon as possible. If the video helped you, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button below. This is me, Junaidgfx, signing out.